CBSE Class 9 Math Extra Practice question from the chapter Coordinate Geometry. What is the area of the triangle formed by joining the points 0, 5, 0, 11 and 8, 9? What is given to us are the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. Let's say the vertices of the triangle are A, B and C. And let the coordinates of A, B and C be 0, 5, 0, 11 and 8, 9. So this is point A, this is vertex B and this is vertex C. Let's plot these 3 points initially on this xy plane and then find out how to determine the area of the triangle thus formed. Take a look at points A and B. Look at the x coordinate of A, that's 0. X coordinate of B, that is also 0. If the abscissa is 0, then it essentially means that if the x coordinate is 0, then the point is lying on the y-axis. So both A and B are points on the y-axis. Say this is point A, 0, 5. This point B, 0, 11. So they're vertically displaced at two different places, but they are lying along the y-axis. Let's plot point C. Point C, the coordinates are 8, 9. So this is 0, 0. We'll have to move 8 units in the positive direction of the x-axis. So let's move 8 units. This is probably 8 units. Let's just say that's the 8 unit mark. And we'll have to move 9 units in the y direction. 5 units, 11 units. 9 is going to be somewhere here. So this point 8, 9 is going to be somewhere at this place. So identified where A and B lie. They lie on the y-axis. We've identified where C lies. So got the triangle that we are talking about. Now all that is left is to find out the area of this triangle. Area of the triangle, the formula that we typically use is half into base into altitude or the height. I'm going to take AB to be the base. AB is my base. What is the height or altitude? Altitude is a line which is drawn from the opposite vertex that's perpendicular to a side. So let's drop a perpendicular from C. Let's say that perpendicular is CD. So from C, I'm drawing a line CD that's perpendicular to this base AB. So now we'll have to find out the area. I know the base is equal to AB. We'll compute that value in a while. And the height is equal to CD because it's a line that's perpendicular from the opposite vertex to the base AB. What's the measure of AB? This line lies along the y-axis. The difference between the y-coordinate of point B and A will give us the measure of the length of AB, which is equal to 11 minus 5, which is equal to 6 units. What is the measure of CD? CD is a perpendicular drawn from the y-axis to the point 8, 9. So the x-coordinate of this point is going to give us the measure of CD. So CD is equal to 8 units. So area of the triangle therefore is going to be equal to half into AB, which is the base 6, and the altitude, which is equal to 8. 48 by 2, 24 square units is the area of this triangle. Quickly summarize it in a printed form and recap it. We're drawing a perpendicular CD to AB from vertex C. So that's the altitude of this triangle. Area of the triangle therefore is going to be equal to half into AB into CD. AB is the base, which is equal to 11 minus 5, 6 units. CD is a perpendicular distance of point C from the y-axis. CD therefore measures the x-coordinate of this point, which is equal to 8 units. Area is half into base into height, half into 6 into 8, which is equal to 24 square units. Before you leave, I want you to do two things. One, register at online.maxtute.com to get started with your CBSE Class 9 online math tuition. It takes all of 3 steps and less than 5 minutes to get started with your CBSE Class 9 online math tuition. Second, I want you to subscribe to this channel, youtube.com/maxtute, and turn on notifications. Until next time, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay motivated.